Hi everybody, welcome to today's literacy lesson. So we're going to start off with our vocab blast again. We've got the same words as yesterday. I'm wondering if anybody can remember what those words are. I've left the pictures and the definitions on to help you. So let's start with this first one. We've got a big box and the definition of this word is taking up a lot of space, or it's something that's large. I wonder if you can remember what that means. If you can remember that word, shout it out for me now. Fantastic, well done. It is bulky, well remembered. The next one, we've got this man who's going like this. And the definition of this word is showing little confidence, feeling shy or nervous. What is that word that we learnt yesterday? Shout it out again. Well done. It is timid, well remembered. And the last one, we've got someone walking on a tightrope really high up in the mountains. Oh, that seems very scary. You must be very confident and full of courage to be able to do that. I wonder what this word is going to be. Can you remember? Shout out if you know. Well done. It's bold. So we've got bulky, timid, and bold. I'm going to say each of these words again, and I want you to repeat them after me. Bulky. Brilliant. Well done. Timid. Well done. Bold. Fantastic. Great start, year 2. Okay. Now what I have done is I have mixed up these words and their definitions. The pictures are all still in the same places. I'm going to get you now to find out which of these words match with the pictures and which of the definitions match with the words and pictures as well. What you might want to do is get yourself a pen or a pencil and some paper so that you can write this down. You might want to write down the word and the definition, and then maybe even draw a little picture next to it if you want to remind you of what each of those are. If you want to pause your video now, I'll run through the answers in a minute. Okay, let's talk through the answers then. So we've got the first one, which was the box. Can we remember what that is? Well done. It's bulky. And what does bulky mean? Fantastic. It means taking up a lot of space, large. This picture. Do you think this means bold? No, I don't think so either. It means timid. Well done. And the definition for timid is showing little confidence, being shy or nervous, which means this last picture is bold, and the definition is confident and full of courage. Well done if you got those right. So, moving on from our vocab blast, we have got a new book. This book is called The Journey Home. I want you to have a look at the front cover. What can you see? I want you to write down on your little piece of paper as many things as you can that you can see on this front cover. You want to pause the video, as many things as you can, off you go. Okay, some of the things that you might have noticed. We have got an elephant in a boat. Oh my goodness. We've got a polar bear and a panda, and this is an orangutan. And they're all in that boat, and that boat looks like it's on the sea somewhere. Now that we've had a talk about what different things we can see on the front cover, I want you to have a think now. What would you like to know about the story that we are going to be reading? So it's called The Journey Home, and we've got all these animals in a boat on the sea. What would you like to know? You can write down 3 ideas that you are curious about. I'll give you an example. I would like to know why all these animals are in that boat. Why don't you have a turn? Pause the video, give it a go on your piece of paper. Okay. Today we are going to be asking some questions about the things that we would like to find out. But before we do that, we need to think about what do we need when we write a question. You can look at this question here for a little hint or a clue if you'd like. We need our at the beginning. What do we need? We need our, well done, we need a question word at the beginning, like what. There it is. What. We need our at the end. What's come at the end of our sentence? Fantastic, well done, a question mark. I wonder if my class can remember how we do a question mark with our Kung Fu punctuation. If you can remember, show me now. Well done, it goes, bang. We have got lots of different types of question words. We're going to read them all together to start with. Are we ready? What? When? Why? Where? Who? Which? The first question word that we're going to look at is when. When. And we need to have a figure out what when questions are going to tell us about. I've put some when questions on here to help us. Let's read them together. If you can remember how to do your Kung Fu punctuation, I want you to join in with that whilst you're reading the questions. Let's start with this one. Oops. When does school finish? Bang. This one next. When can we eat? Bang. And the last one. When is your birthday? Bang. What are all of those questions asking us about? What different things? Has anybody spotted it? Think about what the answer would be to those questions. When does school finish? School finishes at 3 o'clock. When can we eat? At lunchtime. When is your birthday? My birthday is the 21st of February. Has anybody realised what when questions are about? Well done. When questions are about time. All of the answers to these questions will tell us a time. They are talking about different times. We're going to look at where next. What are where questions about? We're going to read the questions again to see if we can find any clues. Are you ready with your Kung Fu punctuation? Let's start with this one. Where are the toilets? Bang. Where is Sheffield? Bang. Oh, I forgot one then. Which one did I forget? I forgot my capital letter for Sheffield. Where is the car parked? Where is the car parked? Bang. All of those questions are about a place. Well done if you worked that one out. Who? Who questions? Let's read them together. Who is your teacher? Bang. Who is good at maths? Bang. And the last one. Who likes to read? Bang. What are who questions about? They're about people. Well done. They're about people, or maybe characters if you're reading a storybook. Why questions. Why is the sky blue? Why are you upset? Why can't we see in the dark? These ones are a little bit more tricky. We're looking for a reason. Why is the sky blue? Because it's... I don't know why the sky's blue. Maybe somebody can find out and let me know. Why are you upset? Because I hurt my knee when I fell over. Why can't we see in the dark? Because our eyes can't see without light. They all have a because. They all need reasons. Which? Have a look again, see if you can find a clue to help you figure out what which means, what which questions are about. Which path shall we take? Bang. Which activity is next? Bang. Which t-shirts do you like? Bang. Has anybody figured out what that clue is? Think about the answers to the questions if you're not sure. Which path shall we take? Left or right? Which activity is next? Maths or literacy? Which t-shirt do you like? The red one or the green one? Which questions are about options? They're about choices. Well done if you got that one. And then we've got what questions. What are what questions about? What colour is glass? What would you like to eat? What are you doing tomorrow? What questions are about objects or activities? They are going to give us a simple answer with an object or an activity. What colour is grass? It is green. That is a noun. What would you like to eat? I would like spaghetti bolognese. That's a thing, that's another noun. What are you doing tomorrow? I'm going to play with my friends. We're going to do an activity. Play is a verb. So now that we've talked about what all of these question words mean, I want you to have a look with your pen and your paper and choose a question to finish these sentences. You can only use each one once, so you might want to cross them out as you do them. So look at the first question, read what you've got. Way is the boat going? Which question word would work there? Well done if you got it right. It is which. Which. And then you can cross that out to say that we've already done it. Look at the next one. Animals. Are the animals on our boat? I wonder what that one could be. We've done the first one together. Have a look at the next ones and see if you can do them yourself. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, team, let's quickly run through those answers. Which way is the boat going? Why are the animals on our boat? Did the animals start travelling? When did the animals start travelling? We are looking for a time, that's why we say when. Are the animals? I'm a bit stuck on this one. I'll see what I've got left. What are the animals? That could work. Where are the animals? Who are the animals? I'm not sure for that one. I'm going to come back to it. Are they going? Oh, that's an easy one. That one's where are they going? Where? Is the boat made from? What is the boat made from? Which means this one must be who. Oh dear, please ignore Miss Mannion's handwriting because that was not very good. Much better. Okay, now that we've had a look at some questions, we're moving on to our main activity. If you would like a really big challenge today, then we have got the 3-star challenge. What I would like you to do is I would like you to look at the front cover of the book and think of some questions that you could ask about the front cover. So I might want to know, why are the animals in a boat? Just like the questions that we were talking about on the last page. You can always rewind to that page to help you make some questions if you need to. So have a think, what questions could you write? I'm really excited to see how many you come up with. Use, if you can, all of these question words. And if you really want to challenge yourself even further, try making a question with these question words. But that's only if you want an extra challenge. If you're wanting the 3-star challenge, you can pause the video here and make a start on your activity. If you want to see what the other challenges are, Keep listening. This is the 2-star challenge. As you can see, just like when we're all in school together, we have got a Communicate in Print word mat here for us to help us. You need to decide which question word you're going to use to make a sentence. You need to think really carefully about whether or not your question word is going to make sense with the rest of the question. If you need to have a look at this to help you, if you go on the school website, you can get a copy on there. Or you can pause the video now and have a go at this activity. So again, just think about which words will work together to make a sentence, to make that question make sense. Where did the animals going? Does that make sense? No. So we need to have a think carefully about whether or not the sentence that we are making makes sense. If you're not sure, read it out loud and check. But you can use this to help you make your questions. You should be able to make at least 3 because you've got 3 question words here to choose from. If you want to do this activity, you can pause the video now. If you want to see what the other challenge is, keep listening. The last activity. This is the 1-star challenge. Again, you can find this on the school website and you can get a copy of this so that you can write straight on top of it. What you need to do for this activity is you need to fill in the blank spaces. When did animals start sailing? Oh, well, I know that this symbol means the, so I could put the there. But that doesn't make a question because I'm missing some things. I wonder if you can tell what I'm missing. Let's start with the beginning of my sentence. What should I have at the beginning of my sentence? Well done, I should have a capital letter, so I would need to change this into a capital letter. And what do I need at the end of my sentence? Remember, it's a question. Fantastic, yeah, I need to remember to put my question mark at the end. So you can fill in the missing bits on this, and if you're feeling extra brave, you can write your whole sentences out in your neatest handwriting. Okay, just as a reminder, you can rewind to anywhere in this video to have a listen again to what we've been talking about and we're learning today. If you need a little bit of extra help, have a look on the website for those worksheets. And I can't wait to see you again later. Bye, everybody.